Moving right along, we're going to jump into the store availability tab. This is where you're going to be able to own and operate your store's active status on the DoorDash platform. So what's important to note is in the top left corner, you will see a little circle with a symbol indicating the store's current status. So right now we see it pause. And if you come to the store availability tab, it'll show what the symbol genuinely means on the DoorDash platform. So right now the store is showing paused. It's paused for marketplace, where if you do have Drive, you can see the Drive store is currently active. So from here, you can click this View Status History button. This will show all of the deactivations, whether it be permanent or temporary deactivations on the DoorDash platform. It'll give you timestamps showing which channels were deactivated, as well as a reason why. So we can see here that this tablet was marked as off. So the deactivation occurred for the full day of April 27th. You do have drop downs at the very top where you can filter to look at maybe something specific that you're looking for. But jumping back to the store availability tab, we can see the regular menu hours. Again, we have a drop down looking at the different menus. So there could be different hours based on the menu. If you click this edit menu hours button, it'll take you into a page to update the store hours. One call out though is if your store is integrated via point of sale system, you will not update the menu hours here. Instead, you will update the menu hours through your point of sale online ordering portal. And then just make sure to reach out to support to identify if we need to pull those menu hours so that it reflects on the DoorDash platform. Otherwise, if you're integrated to receive orders via, say, a tablet or any other forms of method outside of point of sale, this will be the correct place to go and update your menu hours. Additionally, too, if, for example, the store is open maybe for breakfast from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., and then there is a temporary close and the store reopens, say, at 1 p.m., you do have the ability to make that change here. So, for example, going on Monday, we will come up to 11 a.m. to mark as closed, and you can just click this plus button. This will add new store hours to where you can say it reopens at 1 p.m. and then closes at their dedicated time for that evening. Coming back to the last section here I want to look at is the special hours and closures. So there is this button here that says add new. When clicking this, it takes you into a new page. It pre-populates either today, tomorrow, or holidays that are upcoming for the year going into the next year. If it's anything outside of that, you can always select custom date range and click next in the bottom right corner. From here, you can click, say it's May 1st. And if you want it to be multiple days, you can expand, or you can just leave it on May 1st. Closed all day or open with special hours. So if it's closed all day, the store will not be available that full day. If it's open with special hours, we will ask that you put in the new hours that differ from the current menu hours on that date. So you can just open this, set the open time, and then set the close time. And once you're done, just click Save Special Hours, and it'll make sure that the store is only set during those hours or it's closed on that day based on how you set it. Moving forward, we have a couple more screen recordings. We're just going to dive a little more into this financials tab, and then we have the settings, which should wrap you up in how to navigate through the merchant portal.